What is up, everyone? Welcome back to BlockBeat Buzz. Happy April, happy quarter two. It's Wednesday, the 1st of April, and this is no April Fool's joke. Crypto is actually having a decent morning. Let's get into it. Okay, so Bitcoin first, as always. Bitcoin is currently sitting around $68,500 this morning, up about 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too explosive, but after a rough few weeks, we've had a nice steady green day, and it's very welcome. Now, here's a bit of context. Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 126,000 back in 2025. So we are still well off those highs, but zoom out and the story is actually pretty solid. The key levels to watch right now are 68,000 all the way up to around about 70,000. And support underneath us, and 80,000 is the big wall above that Bitcoin needs to push through for the next real move up. For April specifically, there's actually some historical good news. April has historically been one of Bitcoin's strongest months with average returns of 30%. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it's worth keeping that in the back of your mind. So, on to the Fear and Greed Index. Today, extreme fear. You can see there, we've got 8 displayed, which is actually lower than yesterday, even though the price went up. So the price is creeping up, but people are still really nervous. That's a slightly weird mix. Think of it like this. Imagine a shop having a sale, but nobody's going in because they're worried the shop might close. The deals are there, but the confidence isn't quite back yet. When the confidence does return, that's usually when things move fast. We're not there yet, but we're watching. Quick look at crypto bubbles, top 100 in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market is worth $2.42 trillion today. That's up 1.5% on the day. Trading volume is 116 billion, which is nicely up from yesterday. More trading volume means more people are active. That is a good sign. Ethereum is having a good day, up 3.5%, sitting around $2,000. Looking at the bubbles, it's a much greener picture than yesterday. Some of the smaller coins are moving nicely too. The middle feels like it's slowly starting to shift. Some other news just to keep your eye on out there. So Ethereum's big upgrade. Ethereum has a major upgrade called Amsterdam coming in June. And historically, Ethereum tends to rise 20 to 40% in the weeks before a big upgrade like this. We're now entering that window. Worth keeping an eye on over the next few weeks. And one bonus, there are reports that Iran is willing to end the conflict if it gets security guarantees, and Bitcoin jumped on that news. When geopolitical tensions eases, risk assets like crypto tend to feel the benefit. So fingers crossed that develops positively. Okay, and that's your BlockBeat Buzz for Wednesday, 1st of April. Bitcoin is green. There's actually some real reason for optimism this month. Let's see how it plays out. If this helped you out, smash that like button. It genuinely makes a difference. Hit subscribe if you're not already on board and drop a comment below. Let me know what your price prediction for Bitcoin is by the end of April. I'd love to know. And if someone you know is getting into crypto, share this with them. That's more the merrier in this market. See you tomorrow. Stay sharp. This is BlockBeat Buzz. Peace.